So she took out $15,000, okay, and the loan has a rate of 4.3%. If she graduated 4 years after that and she had to immediately start paying, they're curious how, if she makes those payments for 3 years, how much she has to pay each month to pay it off in 3 years. Okay. And so if it accrued simple interest, she's got a principal of $15,000. I think I might have said 1,500 earlier. I meant 15,000. And her rate is 0.043. Okay. And so we want to use that PMT function again. Alrighty. So we want to use that PMT function to figure out our monthly payment. So I'm going to go back to Google Sheets. Again, the PMT function is right there, as you can see. So we've got equals PMT. Again, caused me a lot of stress. I just did 0.043, but you got to divide that thing by 12. She's doing it for 3 years. So 3 times 12, she's doing 36 months of payments. And her amount of money borrowed, or amount of mortgage, in this case it's just borrowed, is $15,000. So that right there is going to be her monthly payment of $444.86. So that's if she didn't accrue any interest that whole time while she was in college. That was essentially like free to her. She didn't have to pay any of that money. So she has to pay it off in 3 years. That is her monthly payment. Now it's nice, they keep it simple for us. They say if her loan is unsubsidized, it accrues simple interest. Okay. Where did we see that before? Yep, accrued simple interest. So that's going to be for part B. If it was unsubsidized, her interest that she just had to deal with while she was not paying her loans off, her principal was $15,000. Her rate was 0.043. And the years that it took up, it was 4 years that it took up. Okay. So she's got monthly interest of, accrued interest of $2,500. And so her actual loan that she has to start paying back is going to be that $15,000 plus the $2,500. Okay. So her actual loan is going to be $17,580. Okay. We're going to run that same exact function there, because the only thing that's going to change is the 17,580 is now going to replace that 15,000. Okay, because it's the same amount of years after that, and it's the same rate. The only difference is that she earned that interest, or accrued is the right word, interest during college. So again, I'm going to copy that whole thing, but I'm just going to replace it with, I think it was 17,580. Again, I know this is complicated, so I appreciate you guys hanging in there. Giving her a monthly payment of $521.38. So her monthly payment is $521.38. Okay. So how much would she save in interest if the loan is subsidized? So they're both 3-year loans. So for the subsidized, she's going to do $444.86 times 36 payments because it's 3 years. For the unsubsidized, she's going to do $521 times 36 months because it's 3 years. And when she does that, she gets, in the red, she'll get 18,769 point, I think it's 68. And then in the purple, she'll get 16,014.96. Okay. So the difference, how much does she save? She has to subtract these. And when you subtract those, she gets 2,754.72. That's how much she would have saved during college if she would have not, if she would have gotten a subsidized loan.